How to transfer money from USA to Denmark on PC. Now, first of all, we will use Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without any fee. So, first of all, select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be United States, and select your recipient destination. In this case, it will be Denmark. So, if you don't find your recipient destination here, just type it in the search bar. As you can see, in this case, it will be Denmark. Now, click on it. Now, after that, enter the amount that you want to transfer, for example, $1,000, and now click on Get This Rate. Now, log into your account. Now, if you don't find your recipient destination here, just click here and type it in the search bar. In this case, it will be Denmark. So, after that, click on Send Money. And as you can see, double check the amount that you want to transfer. And now, as you can see, this is the fees, and this is the free discount, and this is the recipient you will receive. And now, click on Continue. Now, select your recipient bank, for example, this one. And now provide your recipient name and click on Continue. Now, if you have the recipient phone number, you can provide it here. If you don't have it, now click on Skip. And finally, add a new card and click on Continue. Now, provide your debit card info and click on Next. But before going and transfer that money, make sure to double check your debit card info to transfer the money to your recipient. And after that, your recipient will receive that money on their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Denmark on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.